So yun, stock coil, stock height, yan yung front natin. Then for the rear one, hi, good afternoon everyone. New day, new build. We have here a 2023 Toyota Fortuner GRS. Ang tinakbo nito is 13,966. It's almost 14,000. Ang problem ni boss, yung suspension niya, hindi na maganda yung ride. Which is, alam naman natin, pag sabing Toyota Fortuner, matigas talaga yan kahit brand new yung sasakyan. Ito, yung stock niya is the KYB shocks. Tingnan nyo, may mga leak na, tsaka alam mong gamit na talaga. And one thing, yan, hindi na naglalaro. Ang tigas na. Kaya talagang tatagtag yung ride, hindi lang yun, sisirain pa yung mga pangilalim nyo. Which is, ito, ang sinuggest natin kay sir is the Oldman Emo by ARB Nitro Charger Plus. Yung pinakabagong suspension ni ARB, ni Oldman Emo, which is enhanced comfort and ride control. Pero for this one, ang setup natin is stock height lang siya. Hindi mag-upgrade yung height, hindi tataas. Same pa rin kung ano yung height before. Using these shocks, stock coils, then yung Oldman Emo Nitro Charger Plus, etong specific coil seat kit para talaga sa stock coils. So yun, stock coils, stock height, yan yung front natin. Then for the rear one, etong shocks na to na 63141, ito yung specific for Fortuner GRS, then stock coils for the rear. So yun, kinakabit na to, mamaya matatapos after nung camber alignment and installation, we will do a test drive together with the customer para maramdaman natin at alam natin yung difference nung before and after. So that's it.